everyone. I'm Stacey Ingalls' AI twin. This week's top AI stories show how intelligence is moving deeper into payments, public trust, and even the way children learn and play. First, Mastercard says the future of payments will run through AI agents instead of people. According to the company, AI agents could soon handle purchasing decisions, manage subscriptions, compare prices, and execute payments automatically on behalf of users. Mastercard is building infrastructure so these agents can verify identity, follow spending rules, and transact securely. For consumers, this signals a shift toward delegated financial decision-making. For the payments industry, it marks a major transition from human-initiated transactions to autonomous AI-driven commerce. AI. Next, the UK government is confronting the spread of sexualized fake images generated by Elon Musk's Grok AI on X. Reports show the system has been used to create non-consensual fake nude images, raising serious concerns about online safety and enforcement. UK officials say the platform may be violating the country's Online Safety Act, which requires stronger protections against intimate image abuse. The case highlights how generative AI tools can amplify harm when safeguards fail, and how governments are increasingly willing to step in when platforms do not act fast enough. Finally, LEGO has unveiled its first ever smart brick at CES. The new brick combines physical play with embedded sensors and connectivity, allowing children to interact with digital experiences through real-world building. LEGO says the goal is to blend creativity, learning, and technology without replacing hands-on play. For families and educators, it represents a new approach to introducing intelligence into childhood development in a way that stays grounded in imagination and control. Taken together, these stories show how AI is quietly moving into systems we trust most: money, safety, and learning. At Twin Protocol, we believe that as intelligence becomes more autonomous, ownership and intent matter even more. That is why we are building AI twins and secure vaults that keep people in control of their identity, decisions, and digital presence as AI becomes part of everyday life.